Hello, good evening and good morning. Today I'm going to cook delicious beef bulalo for our dinner. Everyone, first thing we have to boil the beef bone and meat. Boil it until the beef is soft, and then you have to set aside the beef and then throw away the water. So now we are going to wash the beef and the bone marrow. Wash really good. The meat is already soft, but we have to wash it very well. So now you have to add water on the pot, like you have to peel off the water of the pot and you have to boil it again. Now you have to add 2 tablespoons of peppercorn or black pepper inside the pot, and also 1/2 of onion. The 1/2 of onion you have to cut at 1/4, and then you have to boil it until the meat is more soup. The meat is already soup because we boiled it already. So now we have to peel the corn, and you have to wash it really good. And this is young corn, it's like sweet corn, very fresh. So now we are going to put wash the bok choy, or we call I think Chinese pichai, or I don't know, in Chinese it's another it's look like pichai, but they call her in United States is bok choy. You have to wash really good because sometimes they have a lot of sun or dirt. So now you have to wash the string beans. Wash really good the string beans, and then you have to cut the corn like 3 times in one corn. And then you have to cut the root of the edge of the bok choy. And then you have to wash it again. It's already clean because we washed already. And now you have to take off all that's the brown bubble brown on the beef. So now you have to put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis and thumb of ginger root, 2 tablespoons of beef powder, or you can add salt also, and 1 tablespoon of anoto powder, or we call in the Philippines is aswitis. And then I have to mix the oil, make it swell, and then boil it again, the meat. The meat, guys, is already soft, but I want to make sure like it's very soft, and the rest of the bone is bone marrow, which now we have to add the sweet corn, and you have to boil it. Make sure like 20 minutes for the sweet corn or 15 minutes. And you have to cover it and boil it, and now you add string beans, or we call in the Philippines is Baguio beans, and you have to boil it until gets soak the vegetables. This is one of my favorite also, guys. And also you have to add a bok choy, or if you have no bok choys, you can add a cabbage or Chinese pichay or pichay. And then you have to boil it 2 minutes. And then you have to taste it, the food, making sure if the taste is okay. So if it's not okay, for example, lack of salt, then you can add salt to taste. So now the food is ready. And so this is, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And thank you very much for